primary school. This is Hugo in year 12 from the senior school. And I'm also part of the student leadership, and I'm actually talking on the behalf of every single one inside this leadership right now. So I wanted to talk to you about this coronavirus outbreak, how I know that every single one of you is stressed and having a hard time to go out with your friends and your family, and must be really stressful for every single one of you. So we, with the entire Student Leadership Conference, which include all the Dulwich schools all over the world, we decided to make a video and share with you how we feel about it and how we want to make sure that you're not too stressed and that you're not alone in this journey. So here it is.
Students of Dulwich, you are going through a tough time.
You are facing struggles,
hardships,
challenges.
You are not alone.
you may feel trapped.
In an everlasting storm.
But even the hardest hurricanes blow over.
You may be scared and surrounded by darkness.
But even the darkest tunnels end with the light.
You may feel restricted.
held far from the sun.
But even the mighty oak begins its life underground.
富雨晴盆，正当困难险阻，但我们同舟共济。
病毒肆虐，不免举步维艰，但决心筑起万里长城。This period of e-learning is an uphill battle.
you must persevere.
The harder the climb,
the sweeter the view will be at the top.
Through these new challenges,
Climb to new peaks.
Keep on fighting.
You are not alone.
翻越山峦的挑战，在自我超越中成长。不要气馁，这场战役中你并不孤独。
We are with you.
we are London.
We are Shanghai.
We are Zhuhai.
We are Suzhou.
We are Suzhou.
We are Singapore.
We are Beijing.
We are Seoul.
we are Dulwich.
We are Dulwich.
We are Dulwich.
We are Dulwich. We are Dulwich.
We are Dulwich. We are Dulwich. We are Dulwich. We are